Hello everyone. We are in the world famous Universal Studios. This is a continuation, so make sure to watch all the videos before this. Let's jump in the video. This is a beautiful overview of City Walk. This is a place where many people come to make beautiful memories. This is the free part of Universal. To go further in and experience the parks, you must pay more money and get tickets or passes. Today we are going to be exploring. We love to take a moment to enjoy City Walk first, though, because it gives a huge overview of everything to come up soon. You can even see some of the roller coasters that you can ride inside the park. This is advertising the Harry Potter world inside Universal Studios, where they have Hogsmeade and Diagon Alley. This is the inside of Universal Studios. You can see some different rides for Minions and Shrek, which are two popular young children's movies. This is the street you see when you first come into Universal Studios. As we continue on, we can see many amazing sights like the Rip Ride Rocket, roller coaster ride you can see in front. You can see many people crossing it now screaming. It is a super fast ride. This is the Monsters Cafe, dedicated to the villains of Universal Studios. Rotating above it, you can see different monsters like Frankenstein's, a classic. You can get lots of different foods here. Here is a tribute to an eagle. You can see there's a fake fire beside him and armor on him. The water is coming out of this carved man's mouth. This is a sneak peek of Dr. Seuss land. You can tell by the bright colors and patterns on the buildings and surroundings. These are some of characters from Dr. Seuss books and movies, such as the Lorax and the Grinch. These stories are so interesting. The Grinch is a character who hates Christmas but learns to love the spirit of giving. The Lorax is trying to preach about saving the earth. Dr. Seuss books often have many hidden messages, including political meanings or morals behind his stories. He was an amazing author. This is another part of Universal. You can see delicious food spots such as Cinnabon that sells tasty sweets. From here you can see many different parts of the theme park. Universal in Florida is home to some of the most amazing sights and huge variety of scenes. There's a Croissant Moon Bakery. It is perfect for afternoon snacks such as afternoon tea time, coffee and pastries. It is a European twist. This is one part of the park with the motto "The Adventure Lives Zone." It basically says that even though these stories and movies may have an ending, the adventure lives on in our young childlike hearts and minds. This is the goal of many theme parks in Orlando. You can see a skull peeking out of that window. From here you can see how the water system of the parks work. I provide such an in-depth view so you may see the architectural genius behind many of the buildings and rides in the park. They do their best to keep it safe but still very fun for all the people. They work hard to also constantly check on the equipment to make sure it is safe for use. Universal also brings in elements from different cultures. These drum sets are based on West African design as well as Middle Eastern design. It almost looks like the set for the movie Aladdin. The setup for this ride is so long that it spans across the entire park. No matter where you are in the parks, you should be able to see either this one or the other huge one in Islands of Adventure called the Hulk. Red and green whenever you go. If you think of going on this ride, be careful because there is a long list of warning signs for anyone who goes on. They include lots of issues for people with heart disease or pregnancy. This is the media center for a news company. They may shoot some news here or provide video coverage. They are currently closed due to COVID but will be up and running again soon. You can see it is still very well kept as workers come every night to clean the park. This is a replica of the Hollywood Walk of Fame. The names written are those who are famous and deserving of fame. You can see different names written in important people are given a star for their contribution. I hope you all enjoyed Universal Studios. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more amazing views. See you next time.